Hello friends, happy morning to one and all. I am Madan Kumar from Puducherry. I have completed my diploma in teacher education at DIAC and done my bachelor degrees in mathematics. I worked as an UDC in a chief secretary Puducherry for more than 3 years and then came to this teaching profession, and now I have successfully completed 5 years of my teaching experience. Now I am working as a primary school teacher in Government Primary School, Melavanchur, Karaikal district, Puducherry. Karaikal is well known as Temple City and also known as Port City in the southeastern part India. The most famous Saniswaran temple is situated at Tirunallar, Karaikal. Moreover, very famous festival of Mangani festival is celebrated in Ammayar Temple, Karaikal. In my school, GPS Melavanjur, more than 200 students are studying. Most of the students coming from rural areas. Our students shows more interest in all type of cultural activities and received many prizes too. My students face difficulties in solving mathematical problems. Mathematics is the most important subject which plays a major role in our day-to-day life activities. The only way to learn mathematics is to do mathematics. As I said above, I have given more and more activities to my students. To overcome their problem, the method that I have choose is playway method, in which number games are played, doing puzzles, and particularly to make the students to get better knowledge and handling money and knowing measurement. I set up a shop in our class and asked some students to do role play as a vendor and a buyer. By these live activities, students are become very well versed in handling money and also measuring objects. To be aware of time management, I asked the students to record the time of daily routine work done by them from morning to night. By collecting this data, they are aware of time management, and also they are asked to make their own clock model as a project work, which helps them to learn how to see time. A little progress each day adds up to big result. As the coach said, my student shows massive improvement and started to show more interest towards the subject. ZIIEI is an action-oriented program that aims to improve the education system at zero cost. The program has successfully improved the quality education. It is the unique program which is committed to improve the skill of teacher, which in turns benefit the pupils. Innovative also the reformation of existing school syllabus, converting and evolving the most theoretical to experiential learning content. It is collaborated with NCF 2005 and mapped with state level curriculum for the entire academic year to improve value education through life skill and achieve learning outcome specified by the MHRD. In my school, I am taking many measures to make my school as a role model. For that, I implemented the activities which was taught in this training program, and also included my innovative idea in morning school assembly, conducting science exhibition, reading festival, food festival, market shows. My students eagerly participate in all these activities and helped to improve the standard of school. The essence of all beautiful art is gratitude. I am very happy to extend my gratitude to Sri Aurobindo Society for organizing ZIIEI program, and my trainer Mr. Karnakaran, and my sponsor HDFC Bank, and my department Samagra Shiksha, and my inspecting officer for giving me this opportunity to be a part of this useful training which helps me to enrich my students' knowledge. Thank you.